Hi guys, welcome to Handmade with Sean. Today I'm going to make another frog. I had these little pieces of wood laying around. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill up the mold with these guys and then just fill it up with some resin and go from there. So what I'll do is grab a couple of these guys and just kind of get them all in there. Alright, I think that should be enough. What I do is going to pour my resin in. I already pre-mixed my resin off camera. Get a decent amount going in here. Make sure you get down inside his head there. If they float, that's all right. We're going to fill it up again with another color once this all dries. So, take your dotting tool and just kind of move them around. Get them where you want them. Like I said, they're going to move, they're going to float, but that's all right. You know, it adds to the aesthetics of the project and makes it unique to yourself. So, pop any bubbles that are in there. But I think I'm actually going to leave the bubbles. I think it'll actually make it probably look pretty decent this time. I'm going to add a little bit more resin. Just move them around, make sure they're all kind of, there we go, yeah. Just get them all moved around where you want them. And then after that, just let it dry. Like I said, we're gonna let this dry for 24 hours. Come back, fill it up with a different color. I'm not quite sure what color I want to use yet for this one. I definitely want to make it to where the wood stands out more than the color stands out. So yeah, we'll go from there, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, we're back. Let this guy get nice and solid. So I went through and backed it with some dark green. So this is the one that has the wood in it. So we'll see how it turns out. So far I like the color. It's nice and solid. So let's demold this guy. See what we got going on here. Sometimes he can be a little bit of a pain to demold. Careful with his toes. His toes are a little soft still. There we go. Got him out there. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I really like the way that guy turned out. That one's pretty neat looking with the driftwood in there. kind of like the bubbles too. It gives a little extra effect to it. All right. Like I said, I really like the way that guy turned out. So please like, share, follow, and I'll see you for the next one.